Hi, I'm Garrett Bunzel, a product manager at Versium, and today I wanted to walk you through the installation process for Versium for Sheets, our app that's on the Google Workspace Marketplace. So today we will go through, and I've already got a spreadsheet ready to go. We even have some tabs for some data here at the bottom, dirty data, contact data. We'll show some of the functionality in other videos, but let's go find our app and get that added to our spreadsheet. So first we're going to go in, type Versium for Sheets. You'll see that pop up there. Install that. We'll get some account info. Have to agree to link our Google account. We'll just show that you're going to connect to our external services. Our application utilizes our API services. So we're actually getting this set up so you'll be able to run our APIs through custom functions. So that was how quick it is to add it. See here, if we go and we do a quick update, it's always good to do that. Now we get a welcome message from the app, so that way we know it's active. If it's not active, we'll know because we won't see this cool menu. We'll probably just see help. We do have a video under the help section when that's the case that can help you get set up. So if you're working with somebody who's trying to add this, it's just a good tip. And yeah. If you've installed the tool and you're not seeing it in this drop down, but you know you've got it, you can go into your manage add-ons, double check what you have, and make sure you're using it in this document. So just good for future use. That'll help you out. So like I said, once you go into extensions, you'll see after you've installed, we've got several submenus here. These are great. We'll go into these functions in other videos, but you'll see we have our append, data prep. So our enrichment is via our append services, or data cleanse via data prep. We have a section here for managing your API keys. Whether you need to get one, you can go through this link and actually get a free API key through our API trial, and that'll help you create an account and quickly drop you directly into Reach where you can get an API key. And then the other section here is you can input that key directly into your spreadsheet. You can see mine's already there. And from my previous usage, and then we can go in here and also delete the key. So I'll just delete my key and I can add that back in. Then we have our documentation, which is the Versium for Sheets actually activates a whole sidebar outlining the different functions, the inputs, expected outputs. You can use these hyperlinks to jump between the sections or scroll down. And if you get lost or want to go back up to the top, you just hit this handy button. If you want more information and you click through here, and you're not satisfied with the APIs, or maybe you're a little bit more technical and you want to get some understanding, or maybe you want to move beyond the app and start utilizing our APIs through building it out with like a development team or resource you have. You just click on the eye here and you can actually get sent directly into our developer portal. So this is all based off of, you can get to this as well through our website and get all the information you want on our APIs, whether that's the appends or even the APIs that we have outside of Versium for Sheets. So we'll click out of that and go back over to our spreadsheet here. So yeah, we have everything outlined in this documentation of what we have available. There's a lot of functions for data prep. We're continuing to add actions in our tool, in our UI tool, and for our APIs, so that's growing. And going back to our menu, you saw that message originally when I installed for welcoming. You can keep that in, or you can hide that. We've just put this so anytime you open it, it doesn't have to come up. So for that spreadsheet, we also have a replace Versium functions with values. So when I do a demo here of the actions that you can, the functions that you can run, you'll be able to actually do a copy and paste values using this if you wanted to replace the functions. That way you don't, when you're confident in the results and you don't want to make any more changes, you can just replace our functions with values to not rerun again. Right now we do have caching for up to 6 hours, so you can avoid any reruns in the meantime, unless you're making changes. But I always recommend you make all your changes up front and then replicate the query. So we'll get to that in the future demos. The other thing is we do have a feedback form. So if you like the app or have some good feedback, we'd love to hear about it. So please, put in some feedback. Going back to this as well, I did mention the getting the API key. It's important to, if you're currently a Reach subscriber and you would like to get access to an API, and you're not sure how, this link will take you to the trial. I recommend reaching out, though, if you're already a subscriber, to your customer success rep or to sales directly. So that's always cool. If you want to go straight into a subscription, we'd love that. All right, so going in here, we can start and get our API key added, and I'll show you now that I deleted mine previously. Alrighty, let's add our API key in here. So we'll go under Manage Versium API Keys, go to Input, paste in our API key, and success. So we can always go back, check out our API key by hitting the input again, and we see it, and I'll tell you who that's associated with. So say you share your API, your doc, your API key will be attached. So, for security, unless they're internal or they're a client that you want to share with, just be aware that will charge usage. So we try to call that out here, and even for me, I'm going to have to delete this now. So, it's good to keep on top of your security. So, but yeah, now that we have that in there, we're all set and we're able to start writing functions. So I will see you next time for the demo of our pen functions and data prep. Thank you.